y'all. This is our Hillbilly Microwave. If you don't actually have a microwave, just get you a skillet or a pot or anything and put water under it. Then set whatever meal you're wanting to heat up right on top of it. I got the Hungry Man meal that's got two different meals in it. One's meatloaf and mashed potatoes. The other is barbecue chicken with some kind of potatoes. There's the box for it in the trash. Yeah, I heard Stephen King loves these meals, even though he's a rich and famous author. Yeah, the Hillbilly Microwave. Yeah. Watch it boil. That thing is Susan boiling. Ha, get it, Susan Boyle? Well, goodbye.